That's the hardest part is just trying to stay there in line.
Is it?
Yes.
Well, should we get her going?
Get them going. Get them going. You guys.
Go ahead, over 50. No, I gotta.
It's over 50. Ready?
Are you guys ready? Over 50? Ready, set.
There's a lot of rocking going on there. You know?
Yeah, they are.
Mixed is next if you want to line up. Mixed. If y'all want to line up.
As much as possible.
As close as you can get.
You guys, the back boats need to move up a lot more. You guys need to move back.
No, you're good.
You guys, you
you're
for
good.
sure are good. You guys could say they got to go back like at least 15 feet. No, you guys are still really ahead.
Okay, ready?
What
set.
are supposed in the right direction?
Go! Okay, women's.
Come on!
They usually take it for
Women's want to line up.
You came in second.
9:30.
Come on, let's. All you women line up. Asking you a little bit.
And they don't know us.
Well, there's a lot of water flying up there.
Those two used to, I used to come down to the landing and her, Melanie, they'd look at us and say,
Okay.